Hi, welcome back to Mustard Temper Dreams. I am Neha and today we are going to make one of the easiest one-pot rice dishes you'll ever make. The delicious Indian Pulao. Now there are various ways of making Pulao all over the world. In India, Pulao is usually served during wedding feasts or parties where a lot of people need to be served at the same time. Not only is the Pulao delicious, it's extremely healthy. And the version we are making today, which is the Chickpea Pulao, is one up on the healthy quotient. The addition of chickpeas gives this already healthy pulao a protein boost and turns it into a complete meal in itself. So let's go see how to make this delicious Chickpea Pulao. Here I've taken 2 cups of Basmati rice that I'm going to thoroughly wash 3 to 4 times till the water runs clear. Then we'll soak the rice for 20 to 30 minutes. To make the pulao, we'll start by adding 2 tablespoons of ghee and a tablespoon of oil into the pan. When the ghee and the oil become hot, we'll add some whole spices. We'll start by adding a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 bay leaves, 2 small cinnamon sticks, 2 cloves and half a teaspoon of black peppercorns. We'll give this a quick stir and then add 1/4 cup of roasted cashew nuts. Saute the cashews for a few seconds and then add 1 big onion that's thinly sliced. Then add half a teaspoon of salt and just as the onions start to wilt, add 1 tablespoon of Ginger-Garlic-Green Chilli paste. Here I've used about half an inch of ginger, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and about 2 green chilies. Saute this till the ginger, garlic and chili paste loses its raw smell. Then add half a cup of sliced carrots, saute them for a few seconds and then add half a cup of sliced mixed peppers. Cook these beautiful vegetables till they start giving a nice aroma. After sauteing the vegetables for about a minute, we'll add the boiled chickpeas. Now here I have a cup of brown chickpeas, but you could totally use the regular chickpeas out of a can. Now it's time to add the soaked rice. Thoroughly mix in the rice with the veggies and then add 4 cups of water. Then add salt to taste and let this cook on high heat till the water starts to evaporate. As the water dries off and you notice just a few bubbles on the surface of the pulao, cover the pulao and cook for about 12 minutes on low heat. Okay, so it's been about 12 minutes since this pulao has been cooking. Let's open and check. Oh my god, this looks and smells delicious. And now it's time to taste. What a burst of flavors and texture. You can taste the sweetness of the onions and the carrots and the slightly sharp yet crunchy peppers. And oh, the earthy flavor of the chickpeas. You are going to love this pulao. Do like and share this video. Leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to Mustard Temper Dreams. Bye!